Whether one mechanical key or 11 are replaced, it makes a big difference not only in your pocket, but also for your everyday life. Let's imagine you have a digital locking system and an electronic eCLIQ key for one day. Let us show you 11 situations in an industrial enterprise that your eCLIQ system will make things easier for you. Different keys were used in each of these situations in the past. Today, you are using just one single eCLIQ key. Since you like to be the first to arrive, it's you who deactivates the alarm system with your eCLIQ key. The system is integrated into your eCLIQ master key system so that authorized persons with a relevant authorization on their key can operate the alarm system. You now open the main entrance door with your eCLIQ key. Visually unobtrusive, the system is also less exposed to the weather conditions thanks to its flush fit. You can go through this door at any time as the key is self-powered. You can limit access through this door to particular times for employees and quickly remove lost keys from the system to prevent misuse. You enter the lift. Your eCLIQ key is authorized for car preference mode. This is extremely convenient and usually reserved for management only. Your first port of call in the morning is always the espresso machine. On the way there, you hang up your jacket containing your valuables in the office cupboard. Your laptop is also waiting for you there. Because you didn't want to take it home with you last night, authorization for office cupboard is programmed on your eCLIQ key only. Nobody else can open your cupboard. You take a break, your eyes wander over the yard and you see an employee turn the corner in the outdoor container area. This area is permanently exposed to the elements. That's why a robust battery-free padlock is installed there, which can be opened with the eCLIQ key and a corresponding authorization. All containers can only be opened during working hours. The new fire service commander calls you and wants to arrange an on-site visit with you. You tell him about the eCLIQ General Master Key, which is already in storage in the fire station and thus guarantees access to the building 24 hours a day in an emergency. The visit is no longer necessary. On the way back from the canteen, you walk through the warehouse. Only authorized persons with a forklift driver's license have authorization for their eCLIQ keys, allowing them to use the forklifts. This minimizes the risk of unauthorized use. Employees return to their workstations and start up the machines with their eCLIQ keys. These valuable material assets are thus optimally protected against operating errors and damage, since they only be operated by authorized personnel. The operator's ID can also be read to comply with the obligation for the documentation. An employee from the IT department wants to discuss acquiring a new server with you. You remind them that the new server needs to be secured with the eCLIQ cylinder. This protects the valuable equipment and sensitive data against theft, manipulation, sabotage and intelligent break-in attempts. Access can be traced in the event of damage or loss. You prefer to manage HR matters in person. To be completely honest, it's also because the espresso simply tastes better there. The HR manager retrieves confidential documents from the filing cabinet using her eCLIQ key. All these cabinets are integrated into your eCLIQ locking system, which can also track when they are opened if required. As the sun has been shining all day, you suddenly decide to cycle home. Like all employees, you have an own locker in the locker rooms. You also open this with your eCLIQ key and take out your cycling gear. Just a few minutes later, you step into the warm sunlight, content and take your bicycle out of the bike locker. As you would expect, access is secured with an eCLIQ cylinder there too. We wish you a pleasant evening.